cooks, today we are making the easiest soup in the world. Yes, I am declaring that this is the easiest soup in the world. We are making Wonton Vegetable Soup. It only has like 3 or 4 ingredients. It goes straight in the pot and it's going to be done in no time. It's great on cold days, especially if you're not feeling great, right? Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, so we're going to start making our broth. This is the all-clad soup pot. I make it in this pot all the time. I don't know why. You could do this in a Dutch oven, a stock pot, whatever you want, right? We're going to go ahead and put in an amount of water. What amount you put in here depends on how much soup you want. There is no measuring in Amy Town today.
But for reference, you just use about 2 liters, maybe a little more.
Whatever, right? I'm going to take some better than bouillon. I'm going to flavor this water with an amount to taste. Meaning, we're going to be tasting this broth as we go along to see if it has enough. And if it doesn't have enough, we just put a little bit more.
Well, that's an easy recipe because you're not giving us any.
No, I'm not. There is no recipe for this. But if you use these exact ingredients, and I'll show you where I get these, then your soup will taste just like mine. Or you can make it like you want to. And in this, I'm going to add a little seasoning. You can put a drop of soy sauce if you want to. I put in a seasoning that's completely and totally different than what you would think. I put in Fox Point from Penzeys. It doesn't really even match the wontons, but the wontons does have cilantro, the ones I'm using. So I'm using better than bouillon, low sodium, so I don't really need, if I get the right amount in here, I don't really need to put any salt. I don't need to put any salt. That's perfection, just like that. So we're going to bring this up to sort of a light simmer. So this is at a full boil, so let me turn this down. This is why this is the easiest soup. It's delicious. If you buy these things and put it in here, you're going to love this. So I get this Kirkland stir-fry vegetable blend. It has a bunch of good stuff in here. It's delicious. It's inexpensive. And this is the base of our vegetable soup. I also buy these mini wontons, chicken and cilantro. I get these at Costco. So this is a Costco soup, right? Easy and delicious. Simple to make, right? So we're just going to take these vegetables. And how much do I put in?
Depends on how much you want.
Exactly. Handful. We got broccoli. We have mushrooms. We have carrots. We have green beans. We have all kinds of fun stuff in here. I just grab and dump till I have as much as I want in here. See what other goodies we have in here. We got some chestnuts, water chestnuts, green beans, all kinds of fun stuff. Carrots. How much do you put in? However much you want. You just keep loading this up. If you want a hearty vegetables, put a ton. If you don't, put hardly none. That looks nice. And so we're going to let this come back to a boil. And these don't take any time to cook, so we're going to let them come back to a boil, and then we'll put the wontons in. Okay, it's starting to come up here in the heat. So we're going to take our mini wontons. They're so cute. They look like this.
Oh, wow.
Chicken and cilantro. How many do you put in, Boo?
How many you want?
Exactly.
I don't know how you're going to write this recipe up.
It isn't.
Oh,
There is no recipe.
okay. You got that, everybody?
However you want.
You're on your own.
So however you want soup. I put quite a few of these, 'cause I like this. Okay, so we're going to cook these until they're done. Soup's on.
Yay.
So here's a wonton. Only took a couple minutes. Doesn't take too long for these wontons to cook. You don't want to overcook them. So let's serve us up a bowl. Okay, so let's scoop up a little soup.
Got a little sniffles over there in the steam?
Yeah. If you have a cold and you want to warm yourself up, you know, the winter's coming. And I'm going to put some soup in there. I'm going to put some vegetables in here. And we got some wontons jumping off. And we got some wontons in there. Give them a little color. Got some carrot. And a piece of broccoli. Looks beautiful. It's time to take a taste. So I put a little bit of green onion on the top. We can get a little onion flavor on there.
Sure.
So we have our wontons, our vegetables. This is so easy. Now, no, this isn't some fancy wonton soup. We will do that in the future where we make the wontons. But if you want to get a soup on the table, if you're feeling under the weather, or if you just need some comfort food quickly, I make this soup all the time and it's fantastic. So all the ingredients are straight from Costco, and it's fantastic. Let's get a little. It's delicious. The vegetables sort of flavor that broth. Let's see, we got some green beans here. Hot, hot, hot. And the wontons. So, I'm kind of picky my wontons. I'm picky about my pot stickers. I don't like things with like that soy. They have like hydrolyzed soy protein in them. No, I want straight meat, and that's what this is. These are really good. I make these, I just pan fry them, not fry, but a little bit of oil and cook them like a pot sticker. They're delicious like that, or in a soup. So good. Tasty. These vegetables are pretty good for being like frozen stir-fried vegetables from Costco. Oh, delicious. It's absolutely delicious. It's light. It's not a soup that'll weigh you down. And it has a better flavor than, you know, you buy a can of soup. It's basically they dump the ingredients in it and they cook the soup in the can. It's just overcooked, super mushy. It's just not good. This is really good, and it doesn't take too much time over a can of soup. So yeah, there's no recipe. Put in the pot what you like, right? So I'm headed out to eat my soup. I hope you enjoyed my quick and easiest soup in the world. Wonton vegetable soup.
I got to do a quick dedication to Jeff.
I think it's your turn now. Step it up. Dig out what you got in your fridge and freezer.
Yeah, my brother makes this noodle surprise, and he basically makes some egg noodles and pulls everything out of the fridge. And this is basically what this is. It's dump soup. So I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for joining me.